Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Big wins in Leverkusen, Germany for Briana and Yohan Blake. Now, they enter the True Athletes Classic in the men's and women's 100 meters. Now, in the women's 100 meters, Briana Williams walked away with the win, running 11.38 seconds. Behind her was B Masters from Australia, running 11.39 seconds. And in third place was Lisa Marie Kowei, running 11.53 seconds from Germany. Now, in the men's equivalent, I'm talking about the men's 100 meters, we had Yohan Blake in that race. Now, he took the event running 10.01 seconds to equal his season's best. Another, great time by Yohan Blake this season. And in second place from Great Britain, we had Jeremiah Azu. He ran 10.07 seconds. And in third place from Nigeria, we had Seyi Onguluwe. He ran 10.17 seconds. Anyway, trackies, that's the latest results here for you. As usual, sound off in the comment section, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.